Okay, so the next quote he wants me to share in continuation is page 74. When I love someone deeply, please hear this. Baba is saying, when I love someone deeply, when I wish to raise someone from the earth to the heavens, I snatch away all material possessions of that being, even peace and calm. Baba is saying that when he loves somebody too much, when he wants to raise you from just being an earthly being to his heavens, at that time he snatches away all material possessions and even our peace and calm. Then I test and challenge the grit, he says. After that, first he's taken away everything I had. Now I'm in suffering and pain. Then at that time when I'm in suffering, he tests and challenges, which means he's testing me at that time even more and challenging the grit, the faith and the surrender, the key words of our life, faith and surrender. When we are going through the pain is actual time of test. Am I going to hold on to my Baba with faith, or am I going to break? Am I going to surrender to his will, as the Isha Upanishad says that whatever you are bestowing upon me must be for my good. With my human eye, I think this is bad, but actually Baba knows it must be very, very good. So he challenges, I test and challenge the grit, the faith and the surrender in those harrowing times, which means in the time of first he takes away everything, takes away our peace of mind, everything is gone. In that state, he tests us and wants to see how will I react. So when everything is snatched away, my reaction is what decides my response is what decides my future path. That is why I said the free will comes in here. The free will, the faith and the surrender comes in here. How will I react and respond to that situation of pain? One that endures with strength emerges a winner. One that falls away from the tree breaks away from me. You're getting that? The mango tree now. Every line has something, a whole chapter of the Satcharita associated with it. So now we come to the mango tree example, that when there is a storm, the flowers fall off. But when in the storm, those leaves which hold on, those flowers that hold on, finally bear fruit. So if you give up at that time and fall, it's the end of the journey with Baba. We have broken in the test, and the soul which was supposed to evolve to a different level is not going to evolve in this Janma. It will have to once again come, take one more birth and again go through the journey, and even in that you may or may not evolve. So this is the right time to make that beautiful choice. So I repeat, one that endures with strength emerges a winner. One that falls away from the tree breaks away from me. But yes, and there's a big smiley there. If you are going through your worst, a big smiley, yes, Baba says, but yes, if you are going through your worst, it means I love you the most. So when the test comes, don't think, oh my God, Baba doesn't love me, Baba is angry with me, so I'm suffering. Think, oh my God, Baba loves me. He has finally chosen my soul to go through its journey. Every pain should be a reason to smile, for gratitude. So the previous quote that we did started by saying that don't be grateful only for your blessings. Be grateful for the denial. So what he's denying away to us, what he's snatching away from us, he's taking away, is actually the time to grow and grow more beautifully.